Hello. In data science, we're often working with very large data sets that can have dozens or hundreds or even thousands of columns. And we don't necessarily want to include all those columns when we train our machine learning model for a number of reasons. First of all, some of them don't necessarily apply. Some of them might not have any relationship whatsoever to whatever we're trying to predict, our target variable. And then they also sometimes, the more columns you have, the longer it's going to take to run, the more it'll cost you in terms of compute costs in the cloud. So there's a lot of reasons why we want to build our model with as few columns as necessary to still get the same predictive results and power. So let's take a look here at our data set. And in this case, our data set is much smaller. We only have 8 columns, but the logic is the same. So let's say in this case, we only wanted to include a few of these when we build our model. So we want to look at the relationship between revenue, purchase date, and product name. And we don't necessarily want to focus on the other ones, at least for this first model. We can always experiment with different models in the platform. So for now, I'm going to show you how to do that with this node here. You just start typing select, you say select columns, we select our data set, and then you'll see the list of columns comes up here, and you can just scroll down. And you can either, if we did this, we would select them all, right? The 2 arrows, but we don't want to do that in this case. We want to just select a few. So we want to focus on product name, purchase date, and revenue. And also I could start typing revenue up here and it would just bring it up. So we send those 3 over, and now you'll see we have these 3 here that have been selected. The remainder have not been selected. We save this. And if we click on this and preview it, you'll see that our data set that's going to be used to train an AI model just has these 3 columns. So it's as simple as that. That's the select column node. I hope that helps. And thank you for using the Sway AI platform.